Question number 11, I'm trying to simplify the rational expression. So I do want to factor out a GCF, and out of the top we can factor out a 2, leaving us with x squared plus x minus 6. And the bottom we can factor out a negative 1, leaving us with x squared plus 3x minus 4. So then, because these trinomials technically don't have any coefficients, or they have a coefficient of 1, we can do the fast factoring. Again, if you want to do the AC method, you can. So for the top, I need two numbers that multiply together to give me negative 6, but add to be 1. That would be plus 3 and minus 2. On the bottom, I need two numbers that multiply to be negative 4, but add to be positive 3, and that would be plus 4 minus 1. And then I still have the 2. Now, the negative sign, a lot of times we'll put that out in front. If you want to give it to the 2, you can. So you can either put it out in front, or you can just write negative 2. Or you can give it to the bottom, as long as you don't put two negative signs, because they would cancel out. So either way is okay. And you'll notice this is kind of depressing because none of our factors matched, so nothing really can cancel out. So this does happen. It doesn't happen that often. Normally we'll have something that can cancel out, but with all these factors I don't have anything that matches. So again, it has to be the same thing on the top matching up with something on the bottom, or the same thing on the bottom for them to cancel out, and we don't have that here. So that would be our answer.